Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your Alfa Romeo Giulia. This feature allows for optimal acceleration from a standstill, maximizing your car's performance. To begin, ensure your vehicle is in the correct dynamic or race mode. Launch control is designed for closed courses, providing a consistent and powerful start every time. It's an exciting way to experience your Giulia's full potential. To activate launch control, first ensure your Alfa Romeo Giulia is in either race or dynamic mode using the DNA selector. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your left foot. While holding the brake, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You should see a Launch Control Active message on your instrument cluster, indicating the system is ready. Once Launch Control Active is displayed, continue holding the accelerator pedal fully down. When you are ready to launch, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. The car's system will automatically manage engine RPMs and wheel spin, ensuring maximum traction and acceleration. Keep the steering wheel straight and enjoy the exhilarating surge of power as your Giulia rockets forward. For the best launch control experience, always ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature. Perform launches on a dry, level surface to maximize grip and minimize wheel spin. It's also wise to allow your vehicle to cool down for a few minutes between consecutive launches. This helps maintain consistent performance and prolongs the life of your components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.